Black Day. Budget session कहाँ बोलेगा?
See, this government is on a Salpa Salpa mode. Salpa Salpa म्हणजे कन्नडान कितें? Little. मुखेलमंत्री पयर गेल्लो, इलो कन्नड उलयला. आतां this government was formed with MLAs being Salpa Salpa. Secondly, this treasury of this finance department has Salpa Salpa funds. Secondly, जे सेशन जाता असेंब्लीचे ते सल्प जाता. जे आन्सर आमकां एलेक्यून दिता इनकम्प्लीट आन्सर ते सल्प मेळटा. आज गोंयचे जे विजन एंगल आहा ते सल्प आसा. लास्ट आमी सल्प ऑपोजिशन आमदार उलय 7 आहे, पूण आमकां विश्वास आहा की 7य आमदार there will be maximum performance, minimum opposition, maximum performance. This government wants to make Goa Swaympurna in drugs, in crimes, accidents, oita tinga, corruption, prostitution. This is said by their own ministers. And we have basically, ये सरकाराकडे काय अपेक्षा ना, कित्याक बारीकशें एक झलक तुमकां दिता. जे आज इवेंट आणि GAD जे स्पेंड करता जोड 50 crore on event and publicity. So this is just a jhalak. There are several issues relating to unemployment, relating to several other problems. We will raise all these issues in this upcoming assembly session.
तुमका मागीर ते सल्प आन्सर दिले जाल्यार
ते हमारे काढे हमारे सल्प Definitely we will support whatever is in the right of Goa and once we have to support, and we will definitely support that. Let us see, let it come.
Okay.